Welcome to Medicinal Chemistry course. This is the D12 page of this course, and I like to navigate you through this D12 page where you will get all the information. So this is the home page here. As you see, this is the course home where I will be posting the weekly announcements. Okay, if I have to remind you of any quiz or any new announcements, or if a deadline is coming up, all these announcements will be here, and which I will be posting every now and then in here. So keep an eye in this home page. Then comes the content. Under content you will see everything about our instruction materials, everything. So suppose, for example, right now there are two modules here, the Getting Started module and the Drug Targets module. Getting Started module is the introduction to this course. So I would recommend everybody to go through each and every topic under this first module, which is the Getting Started with Medicinal Chemistry. Okay, so here you will see the information on the textbook. Have this textbook with you so that you can read through the textbook as the course goes on, and you can you can work on the homework problems from your textbook. So the thing I want to mention here and emphasize is that every module has all these topics, so you cannot miss any topic. That is why each and every topic you click on it, read through the topic, and then you go to the next topic using this arrow. If you are doing that, then you cannot overlook any topics under a module. Okay, use these navigating arrows. Read the topic and go. Here you see this is the syllabus. Read the syllabus very well. Understand the expectation for this course, how you will study, how much time you should devote, and how many exams will be there. Everything is discussed. Then comes the time calendar, the timeline for this course. You can print this one, or you can always come back and look at this timeline anytime. After you, and this is my introduction, brief introduction to you, all of you. After that, you will introduce yourself. So this is this discussion topic here. Start a new thread, and among all the 5 questions, choose any 3 of those and write your discussions. Okay, introduce to your peers. After your introduction is done, then you go to 2 discussions from 2 of your peers and then comment on those 2 discussions. So that will complete your assignment for the first assignment for module 1. Then you go to the next topic. In the next topic you will see that you have to upload a syllabus acknowledgement statement. It says that you have understood the syllabus and you will abide by and follow the policies. If you cannot, you should withdraw from the course. So print it out, sign and put your name and date, and then upload as a PDF file in here. Okay. Then after that, this is the conclusion module, and then you can click here and go to the next module. But to ensure that you finished everything, go to the next page where there is a checklist. In the checklist, task 1, you have done everything, then introduce yourself, discussion, syllabus statement, you have done all these things, and that will ensure that you completed what is needed for module 1. After that you go to the module 2, and the module 2 is the chapter 1 for our medicinal chemistry course, which we are following from the textbook Patrick's. The publisher is Oxford University Press, and in the syllabus I mentioned 2 to 3 more textbooks which you can always have handy, because textbooks are very useful things. You can have as many textbooks as you can download from internet and have those for your reference information. And again, same way, read the introduction and go through each and every topic, and then finish your quiz and discussions in the second module. Okay, so this is all for the content. Then you can go to course tools. Under course tools you see discussions, Dropbox, quiz and checklist. Under discussions you can come here and you can start your discussion topic straight from this course tools also. Dropbox, you can upload the syllabus statement in here from course tools. Same thing for quiz, you can come straight to the quiz and from the course tools. Okay. Communications, usually I will communicate it with you through email using D2L email or the JAX email. Okay, so this is all for, and the grades will be synchronized as soon as I grade your stuff. The Dropbox and discussions will be graded manually by me, and the quizzes, the multiple choice questions and true false will be graded automatically. So this is all for in navigating through the D2L page of medicinal chemistry. Thank you.